Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I just want to share with you guys, if you are wondering, actually I'm not sure anybody viewing my content right now or in the past 6 months. Never mind, I just want to share, if you are wondering that what tools that I record this video. So I think the best tools to record this kind of video, I have a camera and then I am showing the screen to you. I'm using OBS, or what it stands for, I think open source broadcast software. Open source broadcast software. This is really cool software. Let me show you. See, this is on your screen. This is my OBS interface, and then as you can see, it makes the infinity mirror. Since I'm recording this screen, also I'm showing the OBS itself, and then this OBS, very simple, very easy to use, and the most important thing, it's free. It is completely free. Rather than you purchase for such as a Bandicam or Camtasia and so on. Yes, you can find the crack or the crack software out there, but I don't recommend that, since if you are you have to admit, in this world there is a golden rules. What is golden rules? If you don't want people do the particular thing to you, don't do exactly the particular thing to that people. So for me, I don't want, if someday I'm creating a software, some people do a piracy to me and then cracking my software. I don't want that happen. That's why I'm not, for today, I would say 99%, I never cracking software. But actually it's easy for you to find the cracked version of software out there. You just googling by yourself and then you can find it very easy. But for me, the golden rules, I don't want people to hijack my software someday. So that's why from that day till today, I 99% I never hijack or hacking or cracking softwares. So let's go back to the OBS, and then also in the OBS, it's very cool stuff. I can change the layout easily. See, let's say I'm clicking this one. No, I'm clicking this one. I'm change the layout easily, and then also if I click this one, I'm changing another layout. And then actually, why it's black? I don't know. Maybe because I'm missing some file over there, and then the scenes. This is the scenes. Really cool stuff, I think, from the OBS. And then also you can add some chunk or some sources. I have a video, and then display capture, audio capture, and so on and so on. I think this is so great for the open source, for the free software. And then I believe people who make this one also get very good amount of donation, since this software is really cool, really good. For me, I never do donation to the OBS official, but I believe many people out there and big companies do donation to the OBS. So support OBS, and for me, the way I'm supporting OBS by promoting this video. So I strongly suggest you to use OBS to your primary tools to record for YouTube. Okay, that's it guys. Very simple video. I just want to share that simple idea, simple persuasion for you. Please do open OBS and install OBS on your PC. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.